Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today, we'll discuss how to get 30-day trial access to NetSuite. As of now, Oracle NetSuite does not offer a public 30-day free trial like some other SaaS platforms, e.g., QuickBooks, Xero. However, you can still explore and get access in the following ways. First, you can request a personalized demo. NetSuite offers guided, customized demos instead of self-service trials. Go to http://netsuite.com portal/home. Click Schedule a free product tour. Fill in your company details and requirements. A NetSuite rep will contact you for a consultation plus a live demo. Second, you can use NetSuite Sandbox. If you are a NetSuite customer, your company admin can request a Sandbox account for training and testing. A partner or consultant, join the NetSuite Partner Program or Suite Foundation Training Program to access test environments. Third, enroll in NetSuite training includes simulated access. Oracle University or authorized training partners offer hands-on labs, simulated NetSuite access during training. Training includes real use case exercises, no live instance, but very close. Useful for certification or practice. education.oracle.com/netsuite. Lastly, use NetSuite via learning partner or employer. You may get access if your employer is implementing NetSuite. You work with a NetSuite BPO implementation partner. You're enrolled in a university or bootcamp offering ERP training. And that wraps up this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.